Right, so let's open this beast, shall we? Hi, this is the Tech Girl 007 and here teaching you how to YouTube edit, and with some great tips and product reviews to help you along the way in your journey. And today we're unboxing a gaming PC for you, so stay tuned. Right, so here is the beast that I'm going to be unboxing today. It is a gaming PC which was for 3.5k. But before unboxing this, let's go ahead and see my previous setup and my computer that I was using before. So here is my Lenovo desktop. It's an all-in-one PC, and then on the side we've got my mic and all the other setups I've got. At the top I have a display which currently has some lenses, adapters, some fake plants which I use on my background. So yeah, basically that's what it looks like right now. And later on, like on my next couple of videos, I'm going to be doing some setup videos for this. I do have a full review on this mic, so get it from the description box below or from the cards above. It is the Sudotech ST900, which is the latest model of this brand. There is also a video on how I edit my voiceovers, which should be pretty interesting. And if you're wondering why on earth haven't I got a studio tour for you guys, well, I'm here to tell you that that's also coming up very soon. So yeah, subscribe if you'd like to find out more, because we will be going into more detail about this computer on my next couple of videos. There's my chair that I've just bought recently, and then we've got the printer right at the bottom. If you have any questions, then write it down on the comment section below, then I shall be quick to answer it. Where is my knife? Can't find it. Right, I think I have found it. There we go. Right, so though it's a gaming PC, I'm going to be using it mostly for my super fast video editing, and of course some gaming too. I may even switch from my current editing software, which is Filmora X, to Premiere Pro. Not that I don't like Filmora, but because my current computer, which you can see, has a very limited capacity and it wouldn't meet the high-end requirement required by the Premiere Pro software. Right, okay, so let's see what this is now. I guess this is the power supply. So as you're watching this, and since you saw what my desk setup looks like, could you think of where on my desk shall I place this PC? So just to remind you, it's an L-shaped desk that I have, with my current desktop sitting on the top in the middle part of it. So go ahead and write in the comments where you think would be best to place my new PC and the monitor, which is going to be my new 4K monitor, for which the unboxing and setup will be coming soon. So if you're wondering, my old PC is nearly 5 years old and it has become very slow, though I have fully resetted it, but still not what I wanted to be able to carry on working with it. So here we go, just in case I run out of memory while filming, I'll be needing these buddies to assist me. So as mentioned previously, I will be going into more details on this PC. I just didn't want this video to be so long. Yeah, so carry on watching if you want to know what's basically in this giant for now. Right, so this is what the front looks like. And this is what the side looks like, and this is a mesh that should go somewhere around. And I was not expecting it not to be already set up, to be honest. I may have to do another video to actually set it up, like connect all the bits inside. So you see all of these wires, I need to somehow figure out where they go, and I'll do another video on how to actually put everything together. Really, we've got some antennas as well. This is a booklet, and this is the user guide, and these are just some small pieces, some bits and bobs that we're eventually going to use. And this is just a normal power supply. So I would say this PC was wrapped up very nicely, and there's no breakage, no chipping or anything on the sides and the front or anywhere, as you can see. Right, so in here we've got the power button, we've got the headphone and the mic jack, and then this looks like some kind of a reset button. We've got two USB ports, which are both USB 3 ports, and then it's got a CD inside it as well, like usual. And if you remember that mesh, here is the mesh goes right at the top of the PC. And then we have got this paper right in front of it, which we need to remove, but before that we need to basically unscrew these two screws at the top, so we're able to remove the glass panel and then be able to take out this foam that's inside, that's basically helping it stay secure while in transport. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap up this unboxing in here. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it, and I shall see you on my next video.